Hi, welcome to Human Services 120 Introduction to Social Work. There are going to be two main areas of activity during the next 16 weeks. One, the classroom work that's all accomplished here online in the classroom that involves reading, writing, watching videos and tests and quizzes, and also posting written assignments on the discussion board. And this work is all outlined in the course content link page on topics 1 through 8. Say if you had 110 with me, it's the same kind of format. 2, though, is the lab work in 120. It's accomplished in the field and involves a volunteer placement agency and completing 40 hours of volunteer work and handing in related paperwork, documentation hours, and an essay at the end of the semester. See the volunteer placement page link on the home page for the details about that. And also, don't delay on that. Start thinking about and taking steps to secure a volunteer placement agency. We have suggestions on there of places that typically use volunteers, but it's your responsibility to find the place, and we'll talk more about what a social service agency can be. There are social services and social work in various places and fields, like in clinics and hospitals and schools, but it has to be a social service placement in there. If there's a social worker there that you're working with, it's probably okay. In other words, like at a school, if you're working in a program with the kids, on troubled kids or kids that have special needs, that would probably work. If you're just being a classroom assistant for the regular education program, that probably would not. We also have regular chats. There, I think, are 3 on the calendar right now, but we'll have many more. You have to do at least 6 sometime during the year, but there'll be many more opportunities. So if you miss some, you will miss some. That's quite all right, as long as you hit the minimum number. And we'll be talking both about the topics and the classroom work in class and also the lab work. So we'll be talking about your placement, making sure you're getting what you need from the placement for your classwork and for your career goals as well. You can email me anytime with questions. There'll be a lot of questions, I'm sure, when you're ready to go out and do the volunteer work. But I'm not online 24 hours a day. So I usually pick it up within 24 hours, 24 to 48 hours, but don't wait for the last minute because I may not pick it up immediately. It should be a fun class. We have some guests during chat, and we have the first 2 topics are available and ready to go. I'll be posting the rest shortly. Hope all is well with you and you have a great end of the summer here going into the fall and the fall semester. Take care.